All right, okay. So real quick, basic tenets on CAD is you sketch and then you extrude. So first button you hit sketch, select the plane you want to sketch on. So this is XY. All right. Create a circle, center line, diameter 2 inches, another center line or center point, diameter 3 inches. All right. When you sketch, a general rule is you want it to be fully constrained. So as you can see, I can move these circles around. So the diameter is constrained, but the location's not. So we got to locate them relative to one another. So you can put a construction line in between the points, this point to this point. Escape to deselect. Click on it. All right. Geometric constraints are these. And this is a solid tool you want to use. Click the line, right click horizontal, and then you can click on it again, right click, do construction. What that means is it will not, right here, normal construction, it will not extrude these lines. It's just a line to place these other ones. So once you get that, you can create a dimension between them. Where's dimension? I think it's D on the keyboard. D, yeah. There we go. Oh, there it is. All right. Now, put the lines between the two circles, there to there. When this crosshair comes up, that means it's on it. That's what you want. And then here to here. And then again, geometric constraints, you want to do tangent. Select the line, the circle, line, circle. The little icon means that there's a constraint. All right. Now your whole shape is defined. We just gotta define the location. Click on the point, click on the origin, click on the coincident. Oh, I guess I gotta click the constraint first. This point, origin. All right, now it's fully constrained. Now what you can do, you have all these features dimensioned in here. You can parameterize these. So see if I can do it from here. Yes. All right. I'll modify, change parameters. Let's see, unsaved in the sketch. There we go. So here they are. D1, we can name it D minor. D2, we can name it D major. And D3 is a linear, so you can just call that width. All right, okay. All right, finish the sketch right here. All right, so now here's my, shit, I forgot to trim it. Oops. All right, back into this. All right, I don't need these inside lines, so T for trim, or you can push the button right here and then trim off these extra lines. All right, now I have the profile that I want. Finish. All right, extrude. Define a length, 3 inches. There we go. Now you got your basic geometry. Fillet. You can just hit this top face. This puts a radius around this corner. 0.3, whatever you want. But you can also parameterize this. So here's my fillet. And here's my extrude. So this one you could call it height if you wanted to. And then radius, you can just call it top. All right. So the benefit of doing these fillets, right, or to do these parameters, once you create them, check this out. So I can say, okay, I want to change this small diameter. Double click it here. Maybe now I want it to be 4, and this next one to be 4.5. And I want to change the height to 2.5. This radius is small. Okay, I want this to be a 1 inch radius. There you go. That's the basics of parameterization with extrude. All right, dude. Hope this helps.